Hey guys, Evan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money off of the Sandbox game, which is a crypto-based metaverse video game that you can play on the web here. And basically, on top of this being a game, you can also make a lot of money off of this platform as well. And I think a lot of people don't realize that. And so I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money off of the Sandbox game and how you can do it very easily and simply. So basically what we want to do is go to the left-hand side here and go to where it says market. And here is where the big money maker is for a lot of people. So basically we can see that it's an NFT marketplace where you can sell and buy creators' assets with Sand, which is the cryptocurrency that this platform is based off of. And you can incorporate these assets onto your land, which I will cover in a little bit. But basically, we can see that there's a bunch of different assets on the marketplace that people are selling, and you can see actually how much these assets are worth. So this elf fighter asset is worth 81 US dollars, or the samurai fighter, which is worth over $1,000, and this king werewolf, which is worth over $4,000. Now, you can debate on whether or not these assets are actually worth their price, but that is basically how the marketplace works. People will sell their assets based off what they value it as, and whoever purchases it will determine whether or not they actually want to purchase it, whether or not they find that it's worth the value that is listed as. So again, some of these might be a little bit overpriced, some of them might be undervalued. It completely depends on how good the asset actually is and whether or not this asset's actually worth anything. That's up for you to research. But basically, you can sell these assets up on this marketplace and people have an opportunity to actually buy them for real money, or basically the cryptocurrency, which again, you can buy or sell the cryptocurrency from your crypto wallet. And you can basically just buy any of these assets. There's a ton of assets listed every day, and there's a ton of people buying and selling these assets all the time. So that is one way that you can make money off of this platform. But I bet your next question is, well, how do I actually create these assets? So what you want to do is go to the left-hand side and click on where it says create. And then you want to go to where it says Vox Edit right here. And you want to click on where it says download. This is going to download the voxel editor program, which is used to create these cubicle models that you can then sell on the marketplace and incorporate into your Sandbox land. And this software is available for macOS and Windows. I have it downloaded for my Mac computer. And basically when you open it up, you're going to see this news tab here, and you want to click on where it says modeler, and you want to click on where it says create new asset. And this is basically going to allow you to select where you want to create your brand new asset. And once you select where you want to save it, you can go ahead and open up the voxel editor, and it's going to look something like this. Now, I'm not going to teach you how to use the voxel editor. There's plenty of videos out there that show you how to use it that can explain it much better than I can, but it is pretty simple. You're only working with cubes here, so you're not working with crazy mathematical shapes and planes and stuff like that. It really is just a voxel editor. It's just cubes. That's all you're working with. And so, it is pretty straightforward in that regard. But basically you can create your model in here, and then you can go ahead and export it back onto the marketplace here, in which case you can actually sell it for real money and people can actually buy it. Now, the next question you might ask is, well, what do we use these assets for? So you want to go to where it says map on the left-hand side here. And basically on this map here, we can see that there is a ton of different green squares and blue squares all over the map here. And this is basically what is referred to as lands. So these are like individual lands that people and companies are buying. And in each land, there is its own like little universe that you can upload your assets to and use them and create basically whatever you want. It is pretty much like a sandbox, as the game implies, or as the name implies here. It's just a giant sandbox that you can upload your own stuff to, and you can create your own little universes in each land. As you can see, there's a lot of companies that have bought a lot of land here. We can see I think this is Coin Market Cap. And then we got like Ubisoft, a bunch of different companies and individual people that are just buying all this land, and each land just contains a bunch of its own individual universes. And within those universes, that's where we put those assets that we create and sell. But that is basically how you can make money on the Sandbox game. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.